respected Padamshri Professor Sonia Nityan ma'am, VC ma'am, Pro VC Professor Ajit Kaur ma'am, Professor Latika Mohan at Physiology in Rishikesh, Professor Viren R. Professor Dean Medical Faculty, Professor G.K. Singh, Dean Dental Faculty. Very good morning, everyone. And dear residents, dear students, Dr. Anita Singh, Mrs. Kalpana Singh, Dr. Sanjay Kundan, Dr. Salim, welcome to all of you.
Today I have been given this present task to speak about my respected teacher, Professor G.S. Tandon, in whose name this award is instituted. Professor G.S. Tandon joined the MBBS in 1949 at KGMG and had a distinction of acquiring double MD degree
Dr. Latika Mohan, Head of the Department of Physiology at AIIMS Rishikesh, and the orator of today. All the deans, Dr. Atam, Dr. G.K. Singh, Dr. Kushwaha, Dr. Shraddha, who is the Head of the Department of Physiology, Dr. Manish Bajpai, Dr. Sunita Tiwari, I can see you are there, the ex-head of the department. Dr. Salil Tandon and Dr. Sanjay Tandon and Dr. Anita Singh. So all the esteemed faculty members of the department and of the university and all the dear students of the department and the staff. So at the outset, I would like to congratulate the department for its 114th, that's a huge, long journey Foundation Day celebrations of today. And Professor R.C. Shukla, very, very important oration, Professor R.C. Shukla oration, who's going to be delivered by Professor Latika Mohan. And people who don't know her, she's kind of a national figure in high altitude medicine. So we are very honored to have her.
Professor Pandey sir, Professor Tiwari madam, Professor Shraddha madam, all my friends and colleagues, all the students present here. It has been a great moment for me to be here today to participate in the wonderful traditions of this grand institution. It was very special for me in another way that my father was an alumnus of this organization, of this institution, and I feel blessed by him also that I sat there and I'm able to address this. It's a very great moment for me, and we are really, really lucky to have so much tradition, so much warmth, so much of to carry forward with you. It is such an enriching environment, and I feel every person in this institute, in this room right now, is blessed with what happened today. It was really, really a beautiful ceremony. And I'm very grateful to Shraddha ma'am to have invited me for this oration. Thank you so much. About my oration today, my area of expertise is actually higher medicine, and that is because I was in the army for several years and I served at Ladakh and I did some research there. But this topic is something which I chose to speak about today. And this is from, there's an interview of Sudha Murthy's which I attended, and they asked her that why do you write and how do you get inspired to write. So her reply was कि जब मेरे अंदर आती है कोई बात जो मुझे बोलनी होती है, then I speak it out and I write it out. So similarly, this AI is kind of taken my brain by storm. And I want to talk about it, and that's why I thought, let me discuss various aspects of this which are relevant to us in medicine and in medical education into this oration. So this talk will be partly about medical education and how we can deal with AI in that, and then a little bit about research, and then about what I have been doing along with AI. Just to, also add to this is that I am 60 plus years old.
Very good afternoon to all the students for your patience. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Vice Chancellor Ma'am, for giving their precious time to join us in this 114th Foundation Day program of Department of Physiology. I would like to thank, special thanks to Professor Latika Mohan. She has come all the way from AIIMS Rishikesh, and she was very happy to accept our invitation for this year's oration. She has been a very supportive person for us, for KGMU, and she is also president of the SOP, the Association of Physiologists of India. I wish to welcome and thank Dr. G.K. Singh, who is still here. He is Dean Dental, but he has given his precious time for being here. I hope you are enlightened. I also wish to thank the photographers and the team from KGMU Bhuj. Ma'am, we have got a radio station also. So it's KGMU Bhuj. and he's from there, and they will definitely telecast this event.